right. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on in, come on in, come on in. Let's see here. Turn these off. Had a fan. Can you guys hear me clearly? Test, test, test. Gotta watch this microphone. Well, have been off the YouTube and off these style of videos. Really just preparing for this 2025 that's coming up next year. I mean, I know it's a little bit weird. We are not even in December yet, huh? Or November or whatever, but once September goes by, then we are basically we speed through. We speed through, So this lady, oh my bad, turn this off. My bad. Things going crazy. Anyway, this woman that you see right here, man, it's very interesting. She goes to Haiti on July 1st, and she goes on a voodoo retreat, right? Okay, she goes on a voodoo retreat. Her name is, my bad, y'all. Her name is Dana. I'm saying Dana. Dana Jackson. 51 years old. So she travels to Haiti. Haiti. That's for Hugo Chavez when you hear me saying that Haiti. Hugo Chavez knew Haiti is complications after complications, boy. So she travels to Haiti. She travels to the island with this group. Now, if any of you know the name of the group, please, I've been asking to get some information. I can't really can't pinpoint this information really. She has been practicing what we would say African spirituality for a couple of years, okay? And her son, he reported to the media that this group that she left with, it's a group that she, I guess, recently met, It's not like someone that she grew up with, And why the mystery still? This lady died, and I believe I don't know if the body has been already transported to North Carolina. Because I did see something online, like some kind of GoFundMe. But I was thinking, someone in her age, she goes down, and basically she went to get point, which means points in voodoo, like a spiritual point, Some people use it for protection. You can use point to make money. You can use point. I mean, there's different types of point. There's different types of God also, which is guard, spiritual guard. So this lady, I think she took a risk going to a country that you really, really do not know the locals, And all this week, man, I've been trying to research. I couldn't really find the name of the group. Her son, he's saying that she was just she was manipulated, straight up. It was manipulations, this and that. They conned her to get, so she can, go down there and spend that money. You know what I'm saying? Because when you hear these retreats, you know, I know I know so many people who has paid for these retreats so they can be basically initiated, you know, initiated into a specific part of voodoo, you know, because when you are a foreigner, right? When you are a foreigner and you're coming down to receive these spiritual points, what we call it, point, God, you know, spiritual. Oh shit! Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Sorry. My bad. Little technical difficulties. Oh, there's your favorite. I know you guys love this gay guy, man, Mendel. He is a very, very popular individual in the, I guess, Haitian entertainment and whatever the hell he's got going on. But what was I saying? I was saying, let's say you don't have no kind of direct connection with the island, Haiti. If you don't have that direct connection, well, then you end up having to learn or become initiated in these groups. You know, some of these groups are helping people. Some of these groups, I think they do good work. They really do help and assist the lost ones, you know, who go down trying to learn, you know. When after surviving this earthquake 2010, I went back down to the country because I was already you know, going through a spiritual transformation, awakening, you know. So, but I speak the language, you know. I'm part of that that 1804, that lineage. I'm part of it. Compared to this beautiful woman who went and lost her life, you know, I'm not sure she really, you know, understood the situation that's currently going on in Haiti. You understand? I mean, for someone to go on this spiritual retreat, I'm pretty sure it was not in Port-au-Prince, right? It was probably outside of Port-au-Prince, but still, it's a risk. You know, it's a risk. I was thinking about a person who basically got upset with me, even though I told her not to give the money to one of these, you know, groups, you know, these societies, these societies, these groups. You know what I'm saying? They I truly believe you might find more con artists with these groups compared to the real spiel, the real deal, right? You know, don't forget also that when we're talking about Haitian voodoo, it is its own thing. You understand? And if Haitian people, if the collective, if we were using our powers for more positive, right? Positive attributes, all the good things. You know, if we were doing this, Haiti, Haiti, it would not be it wouldn't be this situation you see today. You understand? we would have been one of the strongest nations in the region because we were able to keep voodoo from Africa, right? West Africa, for the most part. Travel with it to the New World, and then marry it with Taino spirituality, okay? And also, believe it or not, European magic, which is, it goes right back to African magic anyway, because all things start in Africa. But, you know, the Europeans, the French, you know, they were Masons and Knights Templar, and, you know, they studied Kabbalah, both the Jewish and Christian Kabbalah, and they were magicians and sorcerers. And we also took that aspect and put it into a third compartment of voodoo. You understand? So back to this pretty little thing, man, lost her life. In North Carolina, man didn't know July 1st would be the last time he saw his mother alive before she embarked on a trip to Haiti for a religious retreat. However, the details surrounding her death are nothing short of a mystery. You know what else is crazy? I'll tell you guys this. I'm doing research this week trying to figure out like who the hell this lady was with. Again, if any of you know, please put it in the comments so I can. But I was in the local media, because there's so much chaos and so much things going on in Haiti. They kind of brushed up on, you know, they talked about it, but I still was not able to find out who's this group, because now they are going to be held liable for sure. You know, I wonder if she had any health conditions before even going down there. You know, I don't think the group who sponsored this retreat, I don't think they killed her. You know, I don't think. I mean, that'd be kind of backwards for your business. But, you know, her son can really, if he wants, you know, just attack the group who's responsible for this retreat, right? I think that's even a funny way of putting it, the retreat. I mean, she went down to be initiated, you know, maybe in Kanso as a mambo. You understand? So many mambos and wugans and this and that. It's crazy, especially when you're looking on the internet. You know what I mean? It's a lot. Yeah. I think she should have probably, if she's African American from the Carolinas, she should have maybe got deeper into hoodoo. Okay, hoodoo and African American voodoo, which is basically same thing, a piece of Haitian voodoo, alongside a piece of the African American experience in America, right? The same way I just explained how we was able to mix and convert, you know, with our voodoo, with our spirituality. Same thing with other blacks, Africans in the diaspora. You know, Cuba, you know, they do their thing. Puerto Rico, they do their thing. The Jamaicans, they do their thing. You know, you start traveling to South America. You know, Colombia. anywhere where those Africans were dropped off. For the most part, they figured out a way to hold on to their spirituality. You know? I think the realest, strongest parts of voodoo still is secret. You understand? And that's a good thing. I've been to a few ceremonies like this on the island, but have any of you guys who are practiced in voodoo, or maybe you've gone to these voodoo ceremonies? I've been to ceremonies in like the forest, where there was no lights. It was just the lights of candles that was placed all over where it was at, on the ground, and of course they had other things going on too. Certain ceremonies and things like that you go to, you can't film. Because of maybe the work that's being done, right? It's the same way on YouTube. You'll go on YouTube and you'll see that there's a whole bunch of these hold on. Yeah. If you go on YouTube, I get these brain farts. I'm talking to you, and at the same time I'm looking at this this thing on the television. The television's on mute. They're talking about stress for the parents in America. It's becoming a public health issue. That's nuts. But anyway, there is many parts of voodoo that remains a secret, and for you to be a part of the knowledge, just like anything else, you have to go to school. You have to study. Get good grades. Hopefully, you have a good professor, a good Wuga Mambo, or my favorite Boko. I have more respect for the Boko. They do good. They sometimes they do evil. Very, very skilled in potions and in poisonous chemicals and all that. That's the Bokos, real good Bokos. They're well grounded and all of that. But this lady, Miss Jackson. I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. I am for real. You should have probably stayed away from this retreat. But I understand, sometimes, you just feel like you gotta be part of this. This is different. The energy of the ancestors. That energy it's for real, man. Now, this is going to be, of course, negative press for Haiti. Because now, if you were planning on going down, right? Well, first of all, let's not even talk about, African Americans or foreigners going down for this type of things, but the locals, a lot of locals, they're not trying to go down. They're waiting. That's the thing with especially the older generations, huh? They're waiting for things to get better so they can leave and go down to the pays. But I seriously feel that this woman should have took a rain check, man, and work a little bit more on self. And if this group that she is a part of, or if they are American, if this is an American-based group, her son, who was talking about all this other foolishness, I mean, he can take them to court. He can take them to court, demand this organization to be more honest with what happened. Because this should not be a mystery, especially with what we got going on right now. We can't take none of these mysterious events. Regardez-le. Et là, tête li jaune, fleur jaune, pas de jaune. Yellow must have been her favorite color. 51. It's like she just had 1 year go over, and that's it. Timothy Jackson. Now listen to this. Her flight. This is what again her son Timothy Jackson, who he looks like a whole character himself, but the itinerary was July 1st to July 26th. So she was spending at least 3 or more weeks down here. That's crazy. Yeah, you see, I'm reading the article. Just what I just said. They say it right here. After she booked her ticket from Charlotte to Miami, to Haiti, her son was worried about the unstable political climate, blah, 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 but the two agreed that they would talk as much as possible. But then one day, the talking stopped abruptly. The last text I received from her was on July 12th. They were going to church the following day, and she said to pray for her. Jackson said, I knew at the last part of the ceremony she wouldn't have access to her phone. I did research, and that was common. Okay, well, that's good. He did his Googles. To find out what's going on. But let me see. She would message him on July 21st. Okay. So on July 21st, she was supposed to message him. She didn't message him, did she? On July 21st, I waited and waited. Timothy Jackson said. Then on July 22nd, I had an eerie feeling and I had no messages on WhatsApp. I pulled up on her itinerary and called the lady in charge, Mumbo Mud, and I asked her what happened. Okay. They asked me how much I knew. Then they said she had gone through the ritual but got sick and had a stroke. Oh, Lord. Then she had seizures. Oh, shit. Then she changed it up and said she had an asthma attack. Oh, shit. Oh, man, they switching it up on her, man. It's a lot of red flags, huh? It's a lot of red flags. What I can say to the foreign people and the Haitians who, left Haiti years ago, or you're Haitian American like me, myself, you got to be real careful who you do these rituals with. That's all I'll say. Got to be extremely, extremely careful. You know what I mean? The realities of Haitians in Haiti with in regards to voodoo, it is non-explainable, you know? It is really, really non-explainable how we practice this spirituality. And again, like I said, even though we are probably one of the most strongest in regards to voodoo in the world, right? It doesn't reflect, it doesn't show with the way the country is today, you know? So it really sucks that this lady, you know, lost her life. Maybe she was just way too gullible, huh? For her to catch a stroke and this and that. Like, then they switched it up and said asthma. Interesting. Let's see here. So, the mumbo is mumbo mud, right? Mud? Modi or mud? Mumbo mud. Yeah, I mean, right now, this is serious. Anyway, you guys, man, tell me what you think. Do you think that this mystery, because now this is all stories and everything going on, do you really, really feel that Miss Dana Jackson, man, you know, age 51, is she gonna find some kind of justice? Yeah, I'm not quite certain. Especially the fact that it hasn't really been making that much news. You understand? And the mumbo, it's Maude, if you guys want to do your Googles. Because I'm going to leave you guys right here and I want to go do some Googles. You feel me? So I can get some more information on this lady. They started switching up stories on Buddy, man. That's crazy. That is crazy. Okay, so I think I know. Hold on. Yeah, I think I know. I don't know the person. I don't know this lady, but there is someone who is associated with this lady. She's probably mad at me. Ashade, mambo, ashade. Beautiful mambo queen up in California, huh? Aging like wine, like I always tell her. You guys know Ashade Mambo? Very popular on the internet. Look like this mambo is part of that society. I don't know. I'll send this clip also to Ashade. Maybe she responds. Maybe she says, "Fuck out of here, nigga." Ashade, I still love you though, with that beautiful voice that you have. Maybe you can give us some clarity. Give us some clarity, man. What happened to Miss Dana Jackson? If any of you guys know Ashade Mambo, you guys send this to her. I got her number. I could just send it through WhatsApp, but I'm a petty Gemini, man, so I'll let you guys do it. Send it out to her. Yeah, because Société Nago, this is in Jacmel, really, Jacmel. So I wonder, man. Anyway, you guys, man, have a beautiful rest of the day, beautiful weekend. You know, we're coming into Labor Day weekend. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. You know, take it easy, take it light, take it slow, for sure. And let's hope that Miss Dana Jackson, she finds, you know, justice. Her family finds justice. And now that I see who it might be, I gotta, you know, I don't want to be talking shit now, telling the other people to sue, because this lady, from what I've seen, you know, her working with Portia, You know what I'm saying? She looks like she's a very, very, good person. You know what I'm saying? From Jacmel. She's from Jacmel, so I can't shit on her all the way. Gotta represent for Jacmel. Anyway, you guys have a great weekend, and we'll see. This mic keeps on. Sorry, y'all. I don't know. I gotta get a new cable for the mic. Anyway, we'll see how this goes, man. We'll see how this goes because I'm real interested now to get some kind of clarity. These type of stories are usually real bad publicity. You know what I'm saying, for Haiti. So if we can get to the bottom of this, then it'll be much better for the next person. Anyway, you all have a, again, beautiful weekend. Happy Labor Day. Aibo Bunudut. Haiti Organic. Haiti Organic. Haiti Organic. One love.